Okay, here is vignette, as we call it, for our Pugoy, the story of his career. And drafted by the Tropa in 2016. And look at this, we tend to forget that he was a PBA Rookie of the Year.
Ano yan, special draft yan eh. Parang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yan eh. Yung lima niya, si Pugoy, napunta dyan. Pero napunta sa Meralco, may napunta sa
Dakiwag yun daw.
may napunta sa NLEX, you know, special draft yan eh.
Pero ito, special player din talaga ito. Minted, decorated, and has stood the test of time. Yeah? Multiple PBA champion, multiple former Tamaraw standout, just like RJ Barrieta.
Parang siya sa amin, although it's not the same. Parang yung Isaiah Thomas ng Detroit Pistons na maganda ma-smile. Magaling na, maganda ma-smile.
Idol ko yun doon.
The original
Hindi na
idea.
na-illusion.
Sobrang paborito.
Yung pala Larry Bird wasn't cheesy. Nickname niya. Parang although nagkaroon sila ng gulo ng bandang tulo ng mga nila pareho eh.
Paul, sinakala naman ang Depon na special. May local, may import, may ibang local na pinagamit ng
Different looks.
Ito kasi itong after timeout play.
Pero ilang pause niya, apat.
Apat.
So, hindi na pa ang take it wrong.
Roundly tatlo. Kaya pasok
Kaya papasok na kaya
laking kawalan din si BGR talaga. Isipin mo.
ang pagka eh.
Ang daming pinulat na rebound ito.
Saka nawala na yung fouling niya after yung umpisa niya dalawa kagad.
Kaya lang
Tinatawagan ng foul ito. Ito yan. Stevenson, no? Veteran niya. Basta tinatawagan niya.
Justin Brownlee, his brother Stanley, and his son Jay. Okay.
laki na ng batang yan. So, dito na lumaki yan eh.
Saka naglalaro dito.
Malamang. Parang si Ray Ray Parks.
Naglalaro sa eskulahan niya.
In the meantime, outside shot, and rails in a tray.
Kaya pag pumutok, malaki na problema ng barangay.
Points na to, Dok.
Kasi hindi na nga natulog yan at saka sinambata kay kanina pa.
Pero unang pasok kay Williams, yung impact play on that pass back para kay Jordan Eddie.
Eddie, as Ronnie pointed out, has scored 11 close range. But in by Jordan Rosario now has 8 points.
Talagang tiniinan niya.
Oo,
Ayoko na mag-pintes ng ganito.
sinigurado.
At nakita na rin niya kung anong kailangan after was taken out.
Check
See the
pala
game
ako.
from a different perspective.
Check ako nito.
Ay, check pala.
Abdallah is waffled up, back to Castro on the outside. Pagoy, short. But does that really work, Ronnie? When you're gone out, you have a different...
Yes, sir. Isa makaka-relax ka, mas makikita mo kung ano yung pagkakamali mo.
In the meantime, Kelly,
Oy!
left behind.
Oh
Defensively,
no!
escaped the